My office is almost a rectangle. It's got a little bit that I need to cut out later on, but it's pretty much just a rectangle. If you have got a room which is a little bit different to that, might have extra bits on it, that's not a problem at all. So before you go any further, what you could do is draw, if you could figure out like the kind of simple square shape of your room, and then let's imagine that you need to, you've got like an extra bit, I've said like an L shape. So what we then might want to do is if you hover over so you know it's right at the far end, and then you could have something going that way, or it might be a little extra bit that comes out this way. But what if you can kind of measure that, and hopefully you have done already, if not, go back and measure it, and then we can just add this extra bit on, and you could do this multiple times if you've got kind of quite a complicated shaped room. So what we could do is, let's imagine I've got an extra bit that comes out by 150 centimeters. I need to turn that into millimeters, so I add an extra 0, so that means it's 1500, and then let's imagine the other way, it just went out by 90 centimeters, add the extra 0, click enter. If that's not the way round it should be, then you can just go back and type 900, 1500, and I've not clicked on anything. Again, it's just, you can just type those numbers in, and that might be the way it works. To finish that off, just so it looks nice and neat, we can get the eraser tool and we can just delete that joining line. So you've now got that solid shape. That would be absolutely perfect.